If you want to browse anonymously without leaving traces, or you need to disable this mode, here is a couple ways of doing this. So in Incognito mode, your browsing history and data won't be saved on your device. However, this doesn't make you completely untraceable online, so keep that in mind. So to enter this mode, we have to open up our Google Chrome or basically any browser which you're using, but most of the things, most of users use Google Chrome, so I'll show it to you. Now locate these three dots at the top right corner and tap on them to summon this drop down panel, and here you'll see your new Incognito tab. So to enter this mode, simply tap on it and we will be set right into it. So here you can search for anything, and the cookies won't be saved to your browser and the history won't be saved to your browser. So let's search for YouTube, for example, right? So we can open up YouTube, read more, save it all. Let's go back. In Incognito, if you're gonna tap on this tabs count, right, you can add up a new tab and you can switch between them freely. Also, you can switch between your regular mode and Incognito mode just by tapping on these two icons, right? And if you're gonna switch to the regular mode, if we're gonna open up our history, as you see, nothing is saved here, so no YouTube because it's Incognito mode. So let's go back to it, and if you want to close your Incognito mode and go back to your basic Google mode, basic search mode, right, simply close both other tabs by tapping on this cross icon, and basically that's it. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them in the comments below. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.